I had a dream the other night about how...
Hello, this is Edward de Bono. I've done a lot of thinking and I've written a lot of books, some of which you may have read. During this coronavirus episode, it's important that you stay at home to keep you safe and keep everyone else safe. So stay at home during the episode. Everything has a value, and so staying home might have a value. And the answer is yes, you can do some more thinking, and you could read some things on social media which will help you to think about things. So staying at home can be good. If you stay at home, you can do a lot more thinking and you're not distracted by other things. So this opportunity of staying at home because of the coronavirus, do some thinking, do some new thinking. So I wish you all success in your thinking, I wish you all safety in the present situation, and I wish you all goodbye.